Hi everyone, so this weekend is bank holiday weekend. Today is Saturday and we are going to Waterford tonight. We'll probably spend 1 or 2 hours in the city. Then we'll go to the first nicer or smaller beach there and try to do camping. The weather is not prognosed to be the best, so it might happen that last minute we book an Airbnb. The next day we're going towards Cork and we booked Airbnb very close to Cork. So because Dovas is working today half day and he just came home, I prepared most of the things so we can go as soon as possible. Let me show you. So for the food we have this beach bag. It's a very nice one to keep it colder for a longer time. So we get some snacks, especially if we're going on a longer trip. This was totally unplanned, so because we'll be camping the first night, we have these 2 plates. I got few more paper plates. I always get some cans if we are not prepared very well with the food, because this time we don't have exact plan. So I got few pates, chickpeas, tuna, always coffee of course, soya because I drink coffee with soya milk. For Dovas I didn't take milk, I took milk powder. We take this kitchen towel. We absolutely love barbecue cheese, so I got these 2 versions, and for sure water, these paper towels, lots of veggies and fruits of course, these for the meat, and we'll go to the store to get more water of course, and we'll get meat because this time we didn't marinate meat, so we'll get something prepared from the store. Let me show you the rest. So here we have 2 beach big blankets. We put them in one of these ugly bags. They may be ugly, but they are very comfy because they are very big. If it rains, doesn't wet them, and they have these zips so things are not falling out. And then we have another ugly bag for the stuff that don't need the fridge bag, so I'll put those here. We'll put the barbecues there. We have 2 barbecues. These are the quick one-time use barbecues. And let me show you the rest. I'm taking few forks, knives and spoons, and in this small pan we heat up water for coffee and we drink it from these travel mugs. This is our camping sleeping situation. Because I don't like pillows, we have only 1 pillow. So this is our tent, and this is our bag for the stuff that goes into the tent. This is our air mattress. It's a double air bed, and I'll put the pillow and the rest of the stuff in. So for the clothes I took 1 sweatsuit, down part, top part, because you need to be warm during the night if we'll be sleeping in the tent. Of course, underwear and socks. This time I'm taking my swimming suit. I'm not going to do the same mistake twice. Last time I didn't take it and it was absolutely amazing for swimming. As I said, when you're going to camping in Ireland, you always have to have a winter jacket. So here is my winter jacket. Because last time we burned really badly. Even though the weather is not prognosed to be perfect this time, I took my hat, and for the same reason we are taking sun cream. So then we have 2 big towels, and I'll put everything in this bag. And of course a book. I never go anywhere without a book. I recommend this one 100%. We are packed. It's 2 o'clock. We are going right on time. So this is what the weather is showing about tonight in Waterford. During the night 10 degrees around, and then tomorrow maximum 16 degrees. So it's not absolutely the best. And we are in Waterford! Very busy. Interesting fact about Waterford is that it's known for being the start point of Ryanair's first flight, a 14-seat turboprop aircraft, flying between Waterford and UK.
So 2 pistachios and 1 mango. 1 mango. No, What do you want?
Can you mix the one?
No, in a small we can't mix. But in a regular.
I'll take the plastic then.
Plastic one?
Yeah, for two.
Two, yes.
Yeah. So pomegranate sorbet and pistachio.
Pistachio.
How is it? You like it?
What?
Is the mango very strong?
Yeah, very good.
Nice. Okay, let's try before it starts leaking.
I can't believe I slept.
Pistachio is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
And then the pomegranate. I usually don't like the fruit ones, but it's so nice. Very strong. Guys, so Waterford is actually the oldest city in Ireland. That's so interesting. And it was populated first by the Vikings in 9th century. The population currently is around 54,000. That makes Waterford the 5th big city by population in Ireland. Explore the treasures of Waterford. Guys, it's working, so we are going in. This museum is telling the story of Waterford, founded by Vikings in the 9th century. So this is the entrance. Wow, okay. Ah! Oh, old key even. Dating from the 1460s, the Waterford cloth of gold vestments are made from Italian silk woven in Florence. On these priceless vestments are various scenes from the Bible and the life of Virgin Mary. They are the greatest treasures of the late medieval Ireland. This civic sword was sent to the mayor of Waterford by King Edward IV in 1462 as a symbol that the mayor's authority within the city came directly from the king. The weather is so beautiful. This is the largest in the world sculpture of a wooden sword here in the heart of the Viking Triangle in Waterford. It is long 23 meters and is telling the story of the Vikings arriving in Ireland. Sometimes your mind is nothing but a map and your heart is nothing but a compass. If you ever feel lost, just open your compass. It will always show you the right way to go. So we had such a nice time in Waterford. We spent around 2 hours there, and now we are on the way to a beach called Banvoy Beach. The plan is to spend the night there. I hope it will be possible. It is 30 minutes drive from Waterford, so see you there.